Well, it's a beautiful morning, absolutely lovely. Blue skies, sun is shining. Yeah, it's quite a contrast to yesterday. Again, the weather here has just been so changeable. I don't know what it is. You can feel it now though, you can feel the change in the weather. Winter is definitely coming. It's certainly a lot cooler, that's without a shadow of a doubt. And of course, as we go further into the winter, it'll get even colder. And Pi's just come back from the mountains. She's been up there picking mushrooms, and we'll be off to the farm very shortly. I'm going to go and get something to eat. I'm starving. Well, apart from the little bit of drizzle that we had yesterday, it hasn't really rained. It hasn't sort of, you know, been torrential for the last couple of days now. And it's amazing because you can already start to see it drying up in places. I think this is what a lot of the farmers right now are waiting for, though, for the rains just to stop long enough so that the combine harvesters can get in the rice fields. Because this one in front of me is definitely ready. Just lovely, isn't it? All the birds and stuff floating around. Don't care what anybody says. For me, this is heaven. It has to be one of my favourite places to come. It's the one place where, you know, I can find the sanctuary, the peace and quiet that I you know, crave for so much. Not always easy to find, it really isn't. Well, you can see now how much of the water has receded. You can see where it's really dark. That's where the water line came up to. And as you can see now, it's gone back, which is great. Looks nice though. Pond looks really, really nice. So it's time for me to do a bit of fishing. What a great way to spend a day though. Just relaxing on the farm, doing a bit of fishing, milling around, doing little bits and pieces. Nothing important, but getting little bits done really is just lovely. The weather today, oh, just lovely. Let's go and have a look and see how the frogs are doing. As you can see, the chickens are everywhere at the moment. And they're beginning to breed again. We now have 3 sitting on the nest. So we've got one there, another lady there, and another one just there. Take a look at that big boy there. Yep, they certainly are growing. Now Pi, I believe, is washing her mushrooms. She's sitting up by the shack, chilling out, cleaning the mushrooms that she picked this morning. She does like to take her time with it. She doesn't rush, and she makes a very, very thorough job. She just likes to make sure it's clean. Okay there, honey?
Come on.
Have you washed a load?
Yeah, only half.
Half of them?
But another half we're going to give for sister mum.
Oh, right, okay. Lots of them, though. Some nice colours as well. It's kind of funny how hazy it is today. I've not seen any farmers burning off any crop stubble, so don't know where all this haze has come from. I'll have to look on the news. Could be from Laos or Myanmar. Well, Pi's finished cleaning all of her mushrooms, and she's just gone round the back to check the nets in the creek, see if they're okay. Dad's still coming back early in the mornings with loads of fish, so yeah, it's still producing. Shrimp is another one. Lots and lots of shrimp at the moment, so they're selling those as well. And that's pretty much our time on the farm today. We've got a few other things we've got to do, like clean the bike. That needs a good clean. Tomorrow it goes in for its first service. Yeah, 1,000 kilometres. Where did that go? Oh, it goes so quick. Well, the bike's now nice and clean, ready for its journey tomorrow for its 1,000 kilometre service. Yeah, it goes so fast. Well, that's about all from Pi and I today. Whatever you do, have a fantastic day and stay safe. Don't forget, please subscribe, share and like. It does make a huge difference. And Pi and I, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.
See you tomorrow.